Good morning, students. Let's continue our chapter 1. Okay, in previous video, part 9, kindly revise part 9. We have discussed about multiplication of integers and some of its properties. Okay, and I told you that I will make a one video over distributive property. So let's discuss the distributive property for the multiplication of integers and multiplication over integers, right? And then we will see some examples related to properties, how we can use some properties for some examples. So let's continue our today's session. If you haven't seen our previous parts, then go to our playlist and check the previous parts so that you can enjoy this video a lot. Okay, let's start. Distributive property. Kindly make a title. Please sit with the notebook and pen and kindly make a title that distributive property of multiplication. Distributive property. Distributive property for of multiplication over addition. Kindly make this title. Today we will see some of example of this property and we will try to understand each and every concept regarding to this property. Okay, so distributive property of multiplication over addition, this is your title of today's topic. Okay, then we will see some special examples regarding properties. Okay, distributivity of multiplications over addition is always true for the whole numbers and for the integers also. It is always true for the whole number and for the integers also. Okay, what is distributive property? So write down its general form so you will get the idea. So general form. Suppose a, b and c are different integers. Suppose a, b and c are different integers. A multiple b plus c equal to, please write down, a multiple b plus c equal to a into b plus a into c. That is distribution over addition. Is it okay? That is distribution over addition. A multiple b plus c. That means here a is multiplied with the addition of b and c. A multiplied with the addition of a and b and c. So we can say that a multiplied b and a multiplied c and then added together. So please remember this statement, nothing else. A multiple b plus c equal to a into b plus b a into c. Okay, now let's take an example and we are trying to get it. Okay, suppose a equal to -4, a equal to -4, b equal to +5, c equal to 3. Directly we are checking for integers. First we will do a multiple b plus c. Then we will check a multiple b personal, a multiple c personal. Then we will add them. When we will add them. Now a. What is a? A is -4. What is b? B is 5. What is c? 3. Always try to answer the terms which are in bracket. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. -4. -4 into 8. Minus plus minus 8, 4 8 is a 32. -4 into 8, that is -32. That is our answer of LHS. Right, left hand side, that is LHS. That is our answer of LHS. Now a multiple b, -4 into 5, -4 into 5 plus -4 into 3. We have put down the values of a, b and c respectively. -4 into 20 plus minus minus, it is -20. Okay, we have done the multiplication. -4 into 3, 4 3s are 12, -12. Addition of two negative integers is always negative. Addition of two negative integers is always negative, and you can go with our basic fundamental properties. -20 plus -12, that is also -32. You can cross verify the answer. The answer of LHS and RHS is equal. So we can say that distribution property of multiplication over addition, and in the integers it is true. It is okay. So this is about distributive property. We can take some different examples and we can cross check it. -3 into 2 plus 6. So how can we write? So see, -3 first multiplied with -2, -3 multiplied with -2 plus this -3 is also multiplied with +6. -3 multiple 6. It is okay. Then you can provide the values. So this is distributive property. And you can write the reverse statement also in regarding sums. How? See, minus 8 into 4 plus minus 8 into 7. Minus 8 into 4 plus minus 8 into 7. So I will take minus 8 as A, B as 4 as B. Again minus 8, that is A, and C as 7. So this is A multiple B plus A multiple C. So common out A, then multiple of B and C. So what is A? A is minus 8 multiple, what is B? That is 4 and plus 7. ये भी आपको समझ में आ जाए तो आप इजीली उसका सॉल्यूशन फाइंड कर सकते हो. लुक एट द एग्जांपल्स वेरी क्लियरली. माइनस 11 मल्टीपल 7 प्लस माइनस 11 मल्टीपल 3. फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू. देखो वो एग्जाम्पल स्टार्ट हो गए. फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू बाय यूजिंग प्रॉपर प्रॉपर्टी. बराबर, कोई स्विचेबल प्रॉपर्टी फाइंड करके आप उसका आंसर फाइंड कीजिए. तो देखो दोनों में माइनस 11 कॉमन आ रहा है. आप ऐसे भी सोच सकते हो ना, माइनस 11 इज हियर, माइनस 11 इज हियर, सो टेक आउट माइनस 11 आउट. नाउ फ्रॉम दिस टू, लुक एट हियर, फ्रॉम दिस टू, from these two minus 11 is carried out. Okay, what is remaining? 7 is remaining, plus sign is there. This minus 11 is also carried out. What is remaining? 3. Okay, I told you always answer the bracket first. Always answer the bracket first. Bracket में जो है उसका आंसर हमेशा पहले फाइंड कीजिए. माइनस 11, what is 7 plus 3? That is 10. Multiplication, minus plus minus, 11 ones are 11, answer is 110. But how? Minus 110. It is okay. This is all about properties and we are going to check the sums related these properties. Okay. आपको एग्जाम में कुछ ऐसे भी आ सकता है कि आपको चेक करना हो, जैसे भी हमने चेक किया तो आप ऐसे चेक कर सकते हो. सो 12 इंटू 4 प्लस माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू 12 इंटू 4 प्लस 12 इंटू माइनस 3 होता है कि नहीं. जस्ट वेरीफाई और चेक. आपको कुछ ऐसे भी बोला जा सकता है कि चेक करिए या आप उसको वेरीफाई करिए कि ये होता है कि नहीं. सो लेट्स डू इट. 12 इंटू, लेट्स डू LHS फर्स्ट. व्हाट इज LHS? राइट डाउन लाइक दिस. LHS इज 12 इंटू 4 इंटू minus 3, sorry, 4 plus minus 3. 12 into 4 plus minus 3. Always try to remember multiplication over addition. Now 12 into, what is 4 plus minus 3? It is 4 minus 3. Got it? Plus minus minus sign. Okay, 4 minus 3 is what? 1. 12 ones are 12. What is the answer of LHS? Answer of LHS is 12. Let's try to get answer of RHS. अब RHS का आंसर 12 ही आना चाहिए, नहीं आना चाहिए, मतलब आप उसको ऐसे ही ला दो कि 12 नहीं आना चाहिए. ओके, लेट्स ट्राई टू solve RHS. What is RHS? It is 12 into 4 in the first bracket plus in the second bracket it is 12 into minus 3. Okay, what is 12 into 4? Both the integers are plus, answer is plus. This is positive sign. First positive, second negative, minus negative. Okay, plus minus minus. Okay, 48 plus minus minus, ये देख चुके हैं ना एडिशन में, प्लस माइनस माइनस, it is 36. What is 48 minus 36? That is 12. So we can say that it is cross-checked, LHS equal to RHS, and it is proven. Okay, so you can do this sum by yourself. Minus 20 multiple minus 6 plus minus 4 is equal to minus 20 into minus 6 plus minus 20 into minus 4. Kindly cross check it. This is your homework. It is okay. Now we will go to the next topic, property based sums. Kindly make the note, property based sum. Okay, we will use the properties. Okay, so let's do a commutative or distributive property, associative property, identity element. We will use so many properties here. First sum, look at it very carefully. 35 into minus 40 plus minus 40 into 15, minus 40 into 15. Okay, copied sum. Okay, now look at the sums very carefully. आप जाते हो जहाँ पे देखिए सम को ध्यान से देखिए, -40 एंड -40 और बीच में कौन सी साइन है, प्लस, सो वी कैन टेक आउट -40 कॉमन। हो गया -40 कॉमन। तो यहाँ से जो मैंने अगले एग्जाम्पल में समझाया था आपको कि यहाँ से ये दो टर्म में -40 तो चला गया कॉमन, तो क्या बचा, तो सिर्फ यहाँ पे तो मल्टीपल का साइन आ जाएगा, कौन बचा, तो 35। यहाँ पे प्लस है तो प्लस कर देता हूँ। अब -40 तो कॉमन चला गया, क्या मिला यहाँ पे 15, विच प्रॉपर्टी, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी। ओके, तो ऑलरेडी वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ही था, मल्टीप्लीकेशन ओवर एडिशन। ओके, सेकेंड स्टेप, -40 मल्टीपल, व्हाट इज 35 प्लस 15, व्हाट इज 35 प्लस 15, दैट इज 50, that is 55 0 50. Okay, why it is plus, because both the integers are plus and addition of positive integers is always positive. Now here is multiplication of negative and positive, minus plus minus, 4 5s are 20, put down those two zeros as it is, your answer is -2000. See, minus and here is plus, minus 4 and this 5 is 20, 1 0 1 0, second 0 second 0, that's why answer is -2000. Clear? I hope idea is clear. Okay, let's move on some different sums we will check out, and we will solve some self-made sums. Okay, I have already drafted for you so many sums. -20 plus 25 plus 15, sorry, -20 multiple 25 plus 15 into -20. Okay, if you know the previous sums very well, then you can do it by yourself. Now look at the first step, -20 and -20, take out the common term out. Clear? Multiple, -20 is already out, what is remaining, remaining is 25, right in the bracket, -20 is out, what is remaining, plus 15. Okay, second step, -20 multiple 25 plus 15, that is 40, 40 40. Okay, now add multiplication of first positive and negative, minus plus minus, 4 to side, don't mistake in this. Say this is minus, minus plus minus, this is 2, 2 4s are 8, remaining 2 0, that is 800. Your answer is 800. Okay, now what if there is a negative sign, -15 multiple 35 minus 25 into -15. डोंट वरी अबाउट द माइनस साइन, जस्ट गो विद द फ्लो, जैसे आपने एडिशन में किया वही आप करिए। -15 कॉमन टर्म, टेक आउट कॉमन टर्म आउट, -25 -15, what is remaining here, it is 35. If it is minus, then minus, and if it is plus there, then plus there. -15 is common out, what is remaining, 25. Here is -15 multiple 35 minus 25, that is 10, plus minus minus, 15 ones are 15, then 1 0. Your answer is 150. Your answer is 150. Is it okay? Can you do it by yourself? Okay. Now next, let's check out another sums. I have already drafted so many sums. Okay, 765 into 65, 765 into 35. Don't worry about the bigger digit. Don't worry about the bigger digit. Now, which is common term? Which is common term in both? That is 765, 765. Take it out, 765. Multiple. What is remaining inside? What is remaining inside? That is 65. Which kindly check the sign here. That is plus, then plus. If it is minus, then put down minus. 765, 35. What is there? 35. 765 is here. Okay, 65 and 35, answer is 100. Okay, kindly multiply like this way, 765 into 1, always 765, जिसको आप 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे वही आएगा, that also property identity element. Okay, now remaining 2 zeros as it is. Your answer is 76500. Your answer is 76500. Clear? सो काइंडली चेक आउट सच सम्स, ये प्रॉपर्टी बेस के सम है. ओके, नाउ चलो इस क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा मॉडिफाई करते हैं, अभी इसको लाइव ही मॉडिफाइड करते हैं. 765 इंटू 65 माइनस 765 इंटू 55. डोंट वरी अबाउट द नेगेटिव साइन, जस्ट गो विद द फ्लो, व्हाट आई टोल्ड. 765, 765. Take it out. 765. What is remaining inside? 65. Which sign is here? Minus. What is remaining here? 55. ओके ये 765 कहाँ गए तो कॉमन आ गए. ओके तो 765. ओके व्हाट इज 65 माइनस 55? दैट इज 10. आंसर 765 वन ज़ा 765. 765 वन ज़ा 765. एंड व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग? दैट इज 0. व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग? दैट इज 0. Is it okay? I am writing another sum. You can do it by yourself. Pause the video and try to solve it. 962 into 75 plus 962 into 25. Can you do that? If yes, obviously yes, you can do it. By watching such examples, you can easily do it. 962 into 75 plus 962 into 25. Okay, which is common term in both? 962. 962. Take out 962 out. What is remaining? 75 plus what is remaining? 25. Okay, if it is 962, 75 plus 25, that is 100. 962 multiple 1, 962 multiple 1, that is 962. What is remaining? 2 zeros. This is your answer. This is your answer. I hope idea about distributive property over multiplication over addition is it clear? Okay, and with the sum we have seen it. Is it okay? Let's move on different properties. अब आपको क्या याद करना है? You have to remember that whenever 2 and 5s are multiplied, your answer is 10. Kindly make a note. When 2 and 5 are multiplied, answer is 10. When 4 and 25s are multiplied, answer is 100. When 8 and 125 multiplied together, your answer is 1000. Kindly make a note. Okay, this is also the same theory will be repeated in standard 10. Kindly note my words. This is the same theory which will be repeated in standard 10, so that you are learning right now the topic of standard 10. Okay, so it is not that much easy. 2 into 5 is equal to 100. 4 into 25, that is 100. 2 into 5, that is 10, sorry. 4 into 25, that is 100. 8 into 125, that is 1000. 2 into 5, 10. 4 into 25, 100. 8 into 125, 1000. How we will use it? How we will use it? 2 into 7 into 5. 2 into 7 into 5. Now see, already we know about the commutative. Already we know about the commutative. See, if it is 1 into 2 or it is 2 into 1, answer is always 2. If it is 1 into 2 into 3, or if it is 1 into 3 into 2, or if it is 2 into 3 into 1, or it is 3 into 2 into 1, always you will get the same answer 6. You can change their place. You cannot change the value, but you can change their place in multiplication if each and every term is multiplied. सारे के सारे अगर मल्टीप्लिकेशन में हैं, सारे के सारे अगर मल्टीप्लिकेशन में हैं, तो आप उनकी प्लेसेस जो है वो चेंज कर सकते हो. आंसर में कभी कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. सो व्हाट इज़ अवर क्वेश्चन? अवर क्वेश्चन इज 2 into 7 into 5. 2 into 7 into 5. आई कैन राइट दैट 2 into 5 into 7. व्हाट हैव आई डन? मैंने क्या किया? तो देखो क्या किया. 5 and 7 इनकी प्लेस इंटरचेंज कर ली. 5 and 7 की प्लेस इंटरचेंज की. आगे क्या होगा? बोलो क्या होगा आगे? 2 into 5. What is 2 into 5? 10. 10 into 7. It is very easy to multiply with 1, 10, 100, 1000. क्या करना है? सिर्फ आपको वही सेम वैल्यू रख के 0 तो रखना है. 7. 10 into 7. Answer is 70. Answer is 70. It is okay. Now let's do another sum. 2 into minus 3 into minus 5. 2 into minus 3 into minus 5. Don't worry. ट्राई टू एडजस्ट 2 and 5 वट एवर द साइन इज. माइनस प्लस नहीं देखना है. अगर 2 and 5 है तो उनको आप नज़दीक लाने का ट्राई कीजिए. तो मैं चलो -3 की प्लेस चेंज कर देता हूँ. तो हो जाएगा -5 इंटू -3 होगा ये. ओके 2 into -5. योर आंसर इज -10. इट इज़ नॉट 10 बट इट इज़ -10. वाई -10? प्लस माइनस माइनस. ओके लास्ट आंसर माइनस प्लस minus minus plus 3 10s are 30. Otherwise these 3 1s are 3 and 1 0, that is also 30. That is also 30. Okay, now let's do another sum. 4 into 19 into 25. 4 into 19 into 25. Okay, try to adjust the place. 4 into 25 into 19. 4 into 25, that is 100. ये आपको याद रखना है. 25 4s are 100 into 19. 19 19 1s are 19. 2 zeros. Very easy kind of sums. Very easy. Okay. Now let's do it. Minus 4 into 8 into 25. Minus 4 into 8 into 25. Minus 4 into 25. Minus 4 into 25 into 8. 25 4s are 100. But if it is minus, then it is minus 100 into 8. Minus plus minus. It is minus, it is plus. Minus plus minus. 8 ones are 8. 2 0. That is minus 800. And that is your final answer. And that is your final answer. Okay. If it is 8, then what? Minus 8 into 7 into 125. Minus 8 into 7 into 125. Try to write down minus 8 and 125 nearer and then multiply 7. No change in the answer. Minus plus minus. 125 into 8, that is 1000 into 7. Minus plus minus. 7 ones are 7. 30. It is 7000. I think very easy kinds of sum. Very easy kinds of sum. Clear? So I think idea is very clear. You can do some sums by yourself. I am giving you only 2 to 3. So the idea will be very clear. 4 into 25, 2 into 7 into minus 5 already I have done. 8 into 73 minus 125 minus 4 into 19 into minus 25. So do this sum by yourselves. Okay. Then we will do some another sums. Okay. Now see, let's take another examples. Please write down each and every example. 35 minus 25 multiple 4 minus 20. अगर ऐसे कुछ दिए तो आप 25 एंड 4 को फाइंड करने का ट्राई कीजिए. देखो 25 एंड ये 4 मिल रहा है, तो ये 25 और 4 का अलग ग्रुप बनाइए और ये दोनों का अलग ग्रुप बनाइए. तो क्या होगा देखो, मैं उसको अरेंज करके लेकर आऊँ. 35 इंटू माइनस 20 एंड माइनस 25 into 4. Okay, minus 25 into 4, that is itself is minus 100. 35 plus minus minus. 35 to the 70 and then another 0, 700. It is not 70 but it is 700. Why? 35 to the 70 and 1 0 remaining 0. Why minus? Plus minus minus. 25 for the 100 but it is minus. Now see, it is minus minus plus 7. 7 ones are 7. 2 zeros of 700 and 2 zeros of 100. Your answer is this 70,000. It is your answer. Okay. Now we'll see the last one of today's session. That is 18 into 25 into minus 4 and 2. ओके 25 एंड 4 को हमने एक ग्रुप में लिखा, तो 18 एंड 2 को एक ग्रुप में लिख देते हैं. फिर मल्टीपल करते हैं हम 25 का किसके साथ? माइनस 4 के साथ. 25 माइनस माइनस प्लस, इट इज़ प्लस 100. 18 टू ज़ा दैट इज़ 36. वेरी इजी. 36 1 ज़ा 36. आंसर इज 3600. So kindly write down each and every sums very neat and clean, so that you can understand it well and revise it well. Thank you so very much, students. Stay connected with us. Stay connected with JRC classes. We'll come back with a new video very soon. Thank you so very much. Have a nice day.